Let's take a look at how to use UTM parameters in your Google Business Profile links. This is going to allow you to track where the traffic is coming from when they click through to your website through your Google Business Profile. Now, first things first, you got to make sure that you have access to your listing. So go to Google, do a search for the business, and then you should see where it says your business on Google like this. If you don't see that right away, you might have to switch your email in the top right corner. And then once you're logged in with the correct email, you should see where it says your business on Google, and then you can click edit profile from there. Then if we scroll down here, anywhere where there is a link, like a website link, which includes like booking, there's a booking link here that we've set up even, where we can also add UTM parameters. And we're going to set it up in such a way that we know that it's actually coming from the appointment link. If you're not familiar with how UTM data works, you could just use ChatGPT or some other AI tool, and it will actually come up with the UTM string for you. You could even do a Google search and find different strings that are for specific use cases. I mean, there's a lot of different ways. I would provide one, but it's going to be different depending on the link, so I prefer not to confuse people, So I'll just kind of explain how it works. Essentially, after the actual URL, there's a question mark, which indicates that there's going to be some tracking parameters coming afterwards. And then there's these different UTM parameters like source, which is going to be from Google. There's the medium, which is organic. And then there's the campaign, which is the Google Business Profile, which is what this stands for, GBP, _ appointment. You need to use underscores like this. You can't have spaces in a URL. So this is kind of like a space, if you will. And what that's going to do is when somebody clicks on this link and goes to the website, it will log that in Google Analytics as traffic that came from Google organically from your Google Business Profile, and in this case, from the actual appointment link. And then over time, as you start to collect traffic from all these different links on your Google Business Profile, like this one here, which is just your basic website link, you're going to be able to start to track and see what is actually driving traffic and sales and all that good stuff. So pretty straightforward setup. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with SEO anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below. And we do provide SEO for different businesses in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.